Here's a new 2022 Cadillac XT5. Smart and intuitive, driving this XT5 will feel like second nature. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.